Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today. In fact, when you stop and think about that, at one point the price was sitting right down around here. Then the price was able to fight back very, very nicely. A crazy start today, but a very nice recovery. And that also brings about a very apparent level of support now where the buyers are hanging out. And although this level is not relevant right now, it's worth at least mentioning for the future that right down here at the $13 round number, very, very clearly now that people want to buy when it's gotten down there. I mean, you can see it bounce from there. Bunch of more times there, found support. Fast forward to today and during the entire bloodshed. And surprise, surprise, once again, where did all that bloodshed stop? Right there at $13. So again, yes, right now it's not relevant given where the price is. But from an overall standpoint, $13 very clearly has kind of established itself as an area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching going forward. As far as more of a near-term level, that's where this $13.35 mark comes into play for the same reasons that I talked about on Wednesday, but if you didn't see Wednesday's video, the reason this level is important because if the price were to come down here, not saying it will, but if it were, and then it just continues on down, what would you have at that point in time? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of that range where it was, and not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down here. However, now all behaves like that before it's starting to work its way back upwards. Now what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 1335. So that level, like I said, was temporarily violated this morning. So things were not looking good at all. But then the price recovered very, very nicely to the point where it's not like it just, the price slightly got back above that level. No, it just kept on going. So that's what I mean by a very nice sign of strength. What about areas of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here. Party stop today right up there at the 1405 mark. So 1405, first key level to watch going forward. If that level can be broken, then the next level to watch on Friday would be right up there at 1435. So interesting chart movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum on Friday. Let's see what happens. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find value in this live web class that I'm offering. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claycharter.com/live. It's totally free. So like I said, go to that link, get signed up. You can see the link in the description area too if that's easier for you to just click on. But like I said, it is live, so there's a question and answer session. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you at the class.